Is that?
Yeah, go ahead. Head! It's beyond this point. Like, I don't know if there's anyone beyond that.
Cleared up here.
It's all the way clear? Okay. Okay. Oh, he told me it was clear. Head! Dude. Oh, my bad, my bad. No, not this guy. I'm firing at the corner building. This guy's already dead. Yeah, there's like one guy left in there. Okay, check the building and call it, I guess. Check that one with that triangle build just one last time. Okay, but if it's clear. Oh, okay, tell the ref the call it. Well, if they're hidden, they're hidden.
We'll call it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we had like a whole bunch of people walk past it. I hope it, well, we called it already, so. If someone's in there, come out. Yeah, they didn't come out, so it's good.